Finally, a new safer replacement for toxic pesticides. Purely Green Bio-Pesticide is a new broad-spectrum pesticide proven highly effective against most insects ranging from household fleas, flies, mosquitoes, and wasps to a multitude of crop-destroying insects and fungi. Unlike other pesticides, it does not attack the nervous systems of insects, humans, or animals. Rather, it penetrates and disrupts the cellular structure of many undesirable insects. It is harmless to humans and animals and has been observed safer for desirable insects such as honeybees and ladybugs. It is a U.S. EPA-exempt, low-risk, non-restricted biopesticide, which can replace thousands of toxic insecticides. Purely Green Bio-Pesticide is a liquid, plant-derived solution comprised of trillions of tiny nano-sized particles that easily penetrate and eliminate pests. It features 5 modes of action. First, it quickly penetrates most soft-bodied insects such as fleas, fungi, mealybugs, mosquitoes, nematodes, spores, ticks, and wasps. It dissolves their cellular structure, resulting in death. They cannot survive. A second method for insects such as aphids, grasshoppers, roaches, and hard-shelled beetles is to penetrate and dry the lubrication of their exoskeleton joints. The crippled insect dies of starvation. A third method, Purely Green, incapacitates flying insects like white flies, mosquitoes, wasps, etc. by penetrating and dissolving the waxy coating of the insect's wings. It also dries and paralyzes the exoskeleton wing connection to the body. A fourth mode of action is suffocation. The tiny particles enter via the insect's spiracles and dissolve the trachea cellular structure. The insect suffocates. Finally, a fifth method for sucking insects such as leafhoppers, scale, spider mites, stink bugs, thrips, etc. is to dissolve the insect's digestive system. When ingested, Purely Green destroys the bug's digestive system. It can be applied via foliar or systemically, i.e. soaking the plant roots. The plant absorbs Purely Green into its sap and transmits it to the leaves where it is ingested by the insect. The combination of multiple modes of actions leaves the pest little to no chance of survival. Death usually occurs within minutes for most insects. However, with some of the more hardy bugs, such as aphids, it may take several days. Some eggs may survive. Therefore, repeat applications should be applied based on the reproductive cycle of the pest. Generally, 3 applications significantly reduce pest populations until more arrive from neighboring farms. Purely Green Bio-Pesticide is comprised primarily of ingredients processed from natural plants. It is clinically documented as mutagen-free, i.e., does not cause cancer. Plus, its ingredients have been documented as genotoxicity-free, i.e., harmless to human and animal cells. Unlike with toxic pesticides, people and animals are not exposed to toxic fumes. Purely Green adds no cancer-causing chemicals into our air, water, or food supply. Purely Green Bio-Pesticide is the new, safer replacement for thousands of hazardous pesticides. With Purely Green, families can enjoy safer homes. Farmers and home gardeners can produce healthier, insect and toxic-free food without toxic exposure at much less costs. For pricing and purchase details, please visit www.firstbiopesticide.com. Welcome to our safer, Purely Green planet.